Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm parking brake, chock rear wheels, and loosen lug nuts before lifting. Once the car is securely on stands, finish removing the wheel so you have clear access to the stabilizer link. Make sure you have the correct replacement link, the matching nut size, and a penetrating lubricant ready. Now spray seized fasteners and use a breaker or impact if needed. This avoids rounding nuts. From here, you'll detach the lower or upper end, depending on layout, and proceed to remove the link. You'll support the control arm or sway bar so nothing drops when the link is freed. Next, secure the stud with an Allen key or second wrench and break the castle or flange nut-free, turn counterclockwise while preventing stud rotation. Once removed, compare old and new parts for length and bushing orientation. Fit the new link, hand thread the nut, then snug both ends. Once aligned, tighten to the manufacturer torque specification. Do one final check that bushings sit squarely and the sway bar moves without binding. After installation, put the wheel back on, lower the car, and torque lugs in a star pattern. You'll want to perform a slow test drive over varied bumps to confirm the new link behaves correctly. Listen for clunks and feel for reduced sway. If something feels off, stop and retorque the link and wheel. A key troubleshooting tip: if you still hear noise, inspect the sway bar bushings and control arm mounts. Often the perceived link failure is actually worn bushings or a loose mounting bracket, not the link itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.